Hey Natalie, wanted to show you how to do the Zoom in case you got confused. So you start the zoom.us and then you do sign in, and it should be connected with your email address already. So you click on your email address, then you're going to schedule a meeting. So you might say like your classroom number, I think you're room 2, class meeting, doesn't matter. And then you can pick the time and date when it's going to happen. You can pick it in the future even. You can get rid of the waiting room, I would, for your kids. And then video. They'll turn it on if they want to. And then record the meeting automatically on the local computer. So you might want to click that button if you just want to record the whole thing. But I think when you start your session, everyone logs in at the bottom. It gives the option to record then. So anyway, let's see. I'm going to push save. Now, when we get this part, you can copy the invitation and post this in your class dojo. So copy meeting and then go to class dojo. And then when you go to your class dojo, you might put it in your story right here and push post. Or you can message the parents a message and you just paste it right where it says no parents connected, and you'll click next and it'll send it all to the parents if you want. But class story is probably the easiest, so I would post it here, and then all of the parents would see it and they would know to join. So, oops. Yep, hopefully that's helpful for you. We're going to be learning a lot, but have a good day.